How can you figure out how many of your undergraduate credits will transfer to your Southern Utah University bachelor's degree? Hi, I'm Emma, an admission advisor for Southern Utah University's graduate and online programs. Today we're going to look at how to use the transfer guide to estimate how your credits at another institution might transfer to SUU. You can go to suu.edu. This is what our homepage looks like. You'll find the search bar up here on the right. You can click here and type transfer guide. When you hit enter, transfer guide will be the first result here on the list. When you click on that, it will load our transfer guide. This is a pre-approved list of courses that will transfer to SUU. You can see here it is organized by institution, by location, and by equivalencies. By institution is going to show all of the different schools in alphabetical order. By location is going to start by looking at the schools closest to your current location. You can also search by a different zip code, a city, or state to see the schools in that area. By equivalencies is organized by what universities have the most equivalencies at SUU. I would recommend using the By Institution tab to search for your school. You can click here and type your school's name. We'll use Utah Valley as an example. Here you can see it lists 3,518 equivalencies at Utah Valley. When you click on the school, it will pull up the listed courses in alphabetical order. Here it shows the courses at UVU, and here is the course at SUU. You can use the search bar here to look for a specific course that you took. We can use math as an example. Here, Math 105 is listed as college algebra, and you can see college algebra at SUU is listed as Math 1050. When you click on the result, it will pull up the course information both at your university and the course information at SUU, if the information is available. This guide is a useful tool in estimating how your courses might transfer to SUU. If your school or your courses are not listed here, the registrar's office will review your transcripts. This is just a pre-approved list to help give you an estimation. I'm Emma with Southern Utah University. To find out more about SUU's admission requirements, click on the button below or go to suu.edu/online. When you're ready, my team will be happy to discuss your particular situation, transfer credits, and help you with your application. Check out suu.edu/online today.